This thing is so cool.
Alrighty, we were just at Impact Auto here. Gave them all our money, and we're gonna go to the other lot, I guess, to pick it up. Let's go.
Here it is. Excited?
Yeah. I'm a little nervous. I can't tell from here how fucked up it looks.
It's so sweet. Yeah, it's facing the good side, facing out here.
Yeah. I bet you watch this be Kurt.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna pick it up.
You're not gonna answer? Nice.
You're like, how's it look?
You got him addicted. The salvage cars, it's this thing now.
Oh God, be nice to me.
Let's see. Oh God, I'm falling there.
And I hate how they load these things.
Yeah.
Always taking it easy.
Yeah, he's being. Well, it's an expensive car. He's gotta be careful. Here it comes.
Oh man.
Oh my God, the thing is so sweet. From this side, it's really nice. That thing is sick. Oh dang. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. This thing is so cool. It's on this side, yeah. You need a couple more, yeah. Yeah, more blocks. That thing is so sweet.
Oh my God.
That is so cool. That is insane. So it's so beautiful over here, and then you move to this side. Yeah, let's see.
Shoot fiberglass, eh? It's where the fenders.
That's so cool. The carnage over here.
How's the color look? Cool mash, eh?
Yeah, a little bit. Don't get fiberglass in your hand over there. There's a bunch of it sticking out on that side.
Sure what that is, but
Can you like look inside of it? Wait.
well, not really. It looks like hopefully this is just pop.
Yeah. That's still sweet though. That's so.
Yeah, like this pilly's a little fucked up.
this whole area isn't quite up to par, you know? That is so sick. Oh my goodness.
Well, we got one wheel, that's good.
Yeah. Are the other two flat?
Yeah, I don't know. See, underneath looks okay. I see a bus with this A-arm on this side.
Okay. Oh my goodness, how do you... My legs are long enough for this.
Yeah, I see the lower A-arm's busted.
Okay.
Which is probably a good thing because didn't wreck anything else. A little bit of fiberglass damage here.
The rim's messed up, yeah.
The rim's fucked up.
Yeah.
It's there.
It is there, that's true. The other one's completely gone.
Cracked. So it must have took a pretty good hit to the, like the bench of the bottom of the rim, and then it busted the air.
I wonder what the heck happened.
It said, yeah, I don't know.
Cause it, like, this side's fine.
Like, that wheel's good.
Yeah.
Here, and I'm just gonna try to put it up on the hoist and maybe move it around with the Bobcat. I'm not really sure yet, but I'm gonna just back it in here and hopefully I can just pick it off. Might have to block it up or something, but let's see if I can get it to pick it up anyways. That might be the easiest way to get it off. Alrighty, so I got it off the hoist here and went off pretty easy. It actually fits on the hoist pretty nice, so wasn't too much of a problem. But I'm gonna start by just pulling all the 4 tires off here, and I think I'm gonna take the skid plates off and take a look at underneath here. I might have found a little bit of a problem. Actually, you can see here this rear A-arm's snapped and bent this. I don't know if this is like the tie rod or what exactly that is on the back here, but once I get it all pulled apart, I'll have a little bit better idea. And I want to pull all the skid plates off the bottom too, because I'm gonna go roll it into the other shed and work on it over there, so it'll be easier to have all this off when it's already on the hoist. But so this can pretty much all come off. It looks pretty good, except for I'm thinking this frame rail here is bent, so that's kind of an issue. So I'm not really sure I'm gonna fix that, but I'm just gonna start by pulling everything apart and kind of getting a better look at it, and then but I actually did. It didn't come with any keys, but I did get a key cut yesterday. Don't have a fob, so I still can't start it, but I got a key cut yesterday. And I got a fob on the way, but I'm gonna get a program to be able to get it to start. But I think it'll run, hopefully. Not sure yet. But everything else underneath here looks not bad. Like, I was a little worried that maybe the front tire kind of came underneath and smashed all this up, but it seems to be all good. But I'm gonna wash it on the hoist. But I guess, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do about this frame rail here, because I guess you can buy them from GM. You can see here a little better. I don't know if you can see if it's bent on, but I'm pretty sure that's bent. So I really have no idea how I'm gonna change that. But I guess I'll just get it stripped apart and maybe get a little bit better of a look at it. So, because you can buy that piece separate from GM. So I'm just gonna start by pulling the wheels off and the skid plates off.
Because now it's counting down. I assumed it was filming when you handed it to me. Oh no, I'm sorry. Do we want to pretend take the bumper off again?
Here, just like this. It'll look like I'm fast this time.
Yeah. Do you want to get the drill or just lift it off?
No, just lift it off. Good shot, good shot. There's a lot of broken parts. Alrighty, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I got it pretty much taken all apart, and I need to make some phone calls tomorrow and see what kind of parts I can get anyways, and see if there's any available first of all, and then maybe call some auto wreckers and see if they have any parts. But for the most part, I found that the auto wreckers are pretty much like the prices they want for this stuff is more, but a lot of this stuff is obviously unavailable, so I'll have to call around and see if I can actually even get any parts or what the deal is with that is. So, but thanks for watching, and tune in for the next one. We'll get this thing fixed back up and hopefully don't find any other bigger problems with it. And I'll try to get a key fob for it, and we can get that programmed. We're gonna have a friend come out and reprogram it for me so we can actually get it running and make sure this runs, and obviously the rear wheels will spin, and I'll get and then it needs a rear lower control arm so I can actually move it around kind of on 3 wheels. And so, but we'll try to get it going like that for now, and yeah, and hopefully don't find any other bigger issues. So, but thanks for watching, and tune in for the next video, and hopefully we can make this thing work. Peace.